Today, September 20, at the last hour of the trading day, Google sells off 3%, and we detected unusual options activity 30 minutes prior to the market closing. And in this video, we will analyze what this could mean for Google stock. Will it continue to drop, or will it be a good buying opportunity to get in on Google? So without further ado, let's get right to those unusual options activity. Here is the options time and sales tape. We can see this happened at 3:36 p.m. We have these 5,000 unusual options. We also have this 7,000 at 3:46 p.m. What does this all mean? Let's take a look. This all happened September 29 and also October 20. So when we take a look at the September 29th, this is 9 days away. We can see here that at the 143, we can see that there were open interest, 10,000, volume, also 10,000. We believe these were closing orders. And also the 142 strike calls. We believe these were also closing trades because the open interest is larger. And also we have other data that we analyze that is beyond the scope of this video that confirms that. And so for the 142 strikes that they did part of this trade, because this was done at the 53-second mark, we believe they closed this to open this. They rolled it to the next month of October 20. And so here it is. This is October 20th. And how do we know that? We can see here the 143s are over here. The 5,000 greater than the open interest of 418. So we know that the 143 were opening trades. They were buying these call options. And so this is a bullish trade going long with a positive 17 delta with a negative 3.97 theta risk and a 9.75 vega. The way we traded this was with a different strategy. Instead of the call options, we sold this call option for each of our trades. We sold 2, and we bought the 139 strike call and also the 145 strike call. And when you analyze the trade, this is what our trade looks like. This is a broken butterfly strategy. It costs the same amount, $84, which is the same as the call option. We like this strategy because you can see that the Greeks here, our theta risk is not as high as the call options, and we don't have such a large vega, just have 2, and we have a negative 1 for theta. We still have that positive 10 delta going long, so this is still a bullish trade. And so you can see that we are risking $84 if Google does not move up soon enough, and we have the potential over here at 143 to make $313 of profit. And then if it continues to go even higher, we could make 116. This one here is 116, so that's more than 100% here if it continues to rally. And over here at 313, that is a profit potential. 313 divided by the initial cost of investment, 84 times 100, that would be 372% if we could hit that mark or close to that mark. And so this is a very high profit potential area where we could likely gain. And so we like this trade. But we did not position size as much for these trades, primarily because if you take a look at the value of the trade, where they had rolled these calls and bought the 143 strike calls for October's, you can see they spent $86, 5,000. What is the value of that? 86 times 5,000. That is only $430,000. And so because this is less than $1 million, we don't put a lot of our trades and positions into trades that are less than $1 million, because we prefer to follow trades with a larger position sizing when they are greater than $1 million or more. So it's all relative to how much this trader is spending, and we position size accordingly. And that has been working very well for us. So if you are interested in trades that have unusual options activity that are greater than $1 million and upwards, make sure to join our membership, where we share exclusive videos for our members whenever we detect unusual options activity on other stocks. That way you can diversify your portfolio, which reduces your risk, and you can get into different stocks that have wealthy traders trading them, where they have better resources and information to be able to predict stock price movements. Okay, so that is our trade for Google based on these unusual options activity that we detected at the last 30 minutes of the market today, September 20. Hope this was helpful. You learned something or you enjoyed it. Please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell icon and you'll be notified whenever we detect unusual options activity. Thank you and have a wonderful day.